May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in, Tushara. What's the matter?
Two students are waiting outside,
Oh,
sir.
I'm also waiting for them. Ask them to come inside.
May I come in, sir?
Oh, come inside. A powerful head boy, Hamdan Nishad. A smart magazine editor, Muhammad Rizan. I was waiting for you a long time.
Sir, why are you sitting outside?
And yes, sir, I was also about to ask you.
Oh, nothing, dears. As you know, our Albab doctor is coming as chief guest. I'm offering my chair to her.
Okay, sir, that's a fine decision. We would like to ask some doubts to the doctor about the COVID 19, sir.
Okay, you should definitely ask.
Sir,
Yes, Tushara. Come in, Tushara.
our Albab doctor is waiting outside.
Ask her to come inside. I was waiting for her.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Why are you not wearing your face mask properly?
So sorry, ma'am.
It's okay, keep it always proper.
Take your seat, ma'am, please.
All of you keep COVID protocol and keep 2 meters distance.
Ma'am, this is our school head boy, Hamdan Nishad. And this is our magazine editor, Muhammad Rizan.
Okay, I'm happy to see you. By the by, what you want to know from me?
Ma'am, today we want to know about the corona pandemic.
What are the precautions we want to take to prevent COVID-19, ma'am?
Any other questions?
Ma'am, which is the authority that decides COVID protocol in the world, ma'am?
Very good question. I will answer both. World Health Organization is the authority giving instructions to all over the world regarding all health issues. World Health Organization gives corona prevention instructions.
What are the instructions, ma'am?
Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Stay home when feeling sick. Clean and wash your hands frequently.
Thanks a lot, ma'am.
It's my time to go to another camp. May I leave?
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot for spending your valuable time for us. You know, Rizan, the instructions of WHO is same that of the words of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Yes, sir, I have heard about it, but it's not confirmed so far.
Okay, for the confirmation, we can ask our Hadith Pandit.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir. May I help you?
Please ask our Albab Hadith Pandit to meet me.
I will, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, our Hadith Pandit is waiting.
Oh, ask her to come inside.
Okay, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum assalam. Please take your seat, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for spending your valuable time with us.
It's a pleasure.
Ma'am, what is the hadith related to corona?
قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم إذا سمعتم بالطاعون بأرض فلا تدخلوها وإذا وقع بأرض أنتم بها فلا تدخلوها.
Ma'am, could you please explain it in Malayalam?
ഓക്കെ നബി സല്ലല്ലാഹു അലൈഹി വസല്ലമ തങ്ങൾ പറഞ്ഞു, ഒരു നാട്ടിൽ പകർച്ചവ്യാധി ഉണ്ടെന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ കേട്ട ആ നാട്ടിലേക്ക് പ്രവേശിക്കരുത്. പകർച്ചവ്യാധി ഉള്ള നാട്ടിലാണ് നിങ്ങളെങ്കിൽ ആ നാട്ടിൽ നിന്നും മറ്റൊരു സ്ഥലത്തേക്കും പുറപ്പെടുകയും അരുത്.
You know, this has happened before 1400 years. Narrated by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
And thank you, sir, for giving such a great opportunity.
I am also thankful to you for joining with the Web Doctor in Hadith Pandit.
It's our pleasure, sir.
Black and white. Everything has been changed. Our life, our tools, instruments, even thoughts are becoming colorful. We sometimes turn back and call the olden days black and white. All of us are striving for various colors in our lives. But we should know that white ray is the mixture of various colors. Reality of the universe is existing in black and white. Colors are only man-made paintings. Olden thoughts are black and white, but it's real ones. Modern thoughts are the painted forms of the olden thoughts. Man cannot neglect the reality even after more than 1400 years. The words of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ are still hanging in a billboard of Chicago City in USA even in 2020. The real science still exists as immortal. The reality of black and white never dies.